right. Nothing on the Black Buccaneer, of course.
Captain Stardust! Jonesy! Jonesy! Winter Jones! Oh, her ears must be full of seawater! Quick! Adventurers! Warn Winter Jones! Winter! Winter! Winter Jones! Winter!
Come here then.
Harley!
Oh, you young folk are so boring. But fine, let's cut to the chase.
I know you're after the blue barnacle, and I'm not going to let that happen.
Yeah, you and whose army?
All the adventurers, right here! All you recruits! You're holding like Captain Stardust, won't you? Oh, come on, you can be louder than that! Are you ready to fight?
Yeah!
Oh, shivery timber is what a terrifying pirate crew.
No fray, no pay. Let's do stick.
I win. I commandeer the blue barnacle and steer her far from Pirates' Cove.
Win? No shit.
Fine. So be it.
Give me that shark bait come sunset.
All the way down in Davy Jones's locker.
What if I have something to say about it?
Oh, it's the bosun.
Actually, I'm the captain of this vessel. Co-captain with Jonesy. We share the wheel.
Two captains of this little sailboat. How tragic.
This little sailboat has crossed the channel for centuries and has fought fiercely in more battles than you know.
Though she be but little, she is fierce.
Anyway, to take control of the ship, you'll need the sacred wheel. Winter, don't give her that advantage.
A sacred wheel, you say? Show me this wheel, unless you're too afraid, as you know you're gonna lose.
We're not frightened of you, Captain Stardust. You're nothing but a scourge of the seven seas.
Time to put your treasure where your mouth is.
Bring it on.
Come on then, let's see.
I warn you to surrender without fight.
You're way out of your depth, matey.
Pete, get me that wheel. I'll distract the captain. You take the wheel. Avast you! You're gonna have to catch me
Captain on the wheel! Another wheel, Captain! Captain on the wheel!
Peggy Bailey! A big hip hip huzzah for Peggy Bailey! Collected in the seas! Hip hip!
Oh,